I believe life is one step back and two step forward. One step back means to invest on your capacity. Two step forward mean to get energy and jump high. Hello, I'm Siam, Pasarly, motivational speaker, business coach, an advisor, and an entrepreneur. Fortunately, I have got rich experience working with the private sector, government, Chamber of Commerce and Investment, the World Bank, as a public relation and business promotion director, senior strategic communication advisor to minister, and founded as well as led many organizations and businesses. Besides theory, I know the ground realities in doing business as well as establishing and leading the organization. I'm going to introduce the 14 most important books, the books that we are teaching in our business and success training. These books developed by USAID, WIE, and it is totally free. If you want to have these books, please write down your email address. I will send you the complete packages. First, startup in planning. Second, business formalization. Third, access to finance. Fourth, leadership. Fifth, operations in project management. Sixth, marketing. 7, sales and customer services. 8, human resource management. 9, pricing. 10, budgeting. 11, bookkeeping. 12, financial management. 13, business ethics. And the last, 14, business growth and expansion. These books are extremely important that every startup founder should read. See, Elon Musk asked that how he learned to build the rockets. He said, I read books. Harry Thomas says, not all the readers are the leaders, but all the leaders are the readers. If you want to become a leader, you should read a lot. If you want to be the king of the market, you should read all these books. Thomas Jefferson says that I cannot live without books. Abraham Lincoln says that my best friend is the one who gave me the books that I have not read. I want to be your best friend, and I'm going to give you these 14 books that read it, and implement it. I'm sure if you read and implement these 14 books, you will have successful business. I'm suggesting these 14 books that first read, then implement. If you don't implement, it cannot help you. That's why we say ideation without execution is illusion, delusion. Again, ideation without execution is illusion, delusion. If you don't implement it, it will not help you. One thing more, I know lots of people, they are reading a lot, but they are not implementing. See, if you have 1% input, you should have 2% output. If you don't have output, so reading these all will not help you. You will not be very much successful in your life. That's why I can request to read carefully and implement it accordingly. I have these books in 3 languages, Pashto, Dari, and English language. If you want them, please drop your email. I will send you the complete packages. Further, I am going to share my experience and ground realities on how to start and improve businesses, leadership, wealth management, regional connectivity, personal development, and more. My goal is to help you achieve your personal and professional goals easier and faster. That's why I kindly request to subscribe the channel, watch the videos, and share these videos with your loved ones.